Good morning mga ka-DJ. Here at Boloon, Cebu. Ako ipakita ang lugar sa Boloon. Yan, bahan sa Boloon. Huwag akong pukawon ang mga falcon. So, before that, for the goodbyes, kakanta mo na si DJ Kobe at your service. Tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay ko, nagbago man ang hugis ng puso ko. Handa ko man hamunin ang aking mundo, basta tuloy pa rin. So tuloy pa rin pag may Rebecon. So, again guys, ato nang ipadayon. So, shout out ego nila. Bukoy Loop, Sunji Loop, Abi Loop from the Now, Kensit Loop from Mabulo, Randy Loop from Hippodromo, Jupax Loop from Cogon Pardo, Dandy Loop, Jubilito Loop, Skyda Loop, Albinos Loop, GY Jeans Loop, Roy Kangay Loop, Jaco Loop. So again, good morning. So ating isang mga warriors. Gising. Again, DJ Kobe Promotion Club. So release time is 6:20 AM in the morning. Remaining time is 2 minutes. 2 minutes to go. So, i-release natin ito. 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Ang mga
Bukarilo from Palalupi, Oak TV from Nabangon. Hoy, boss amo agad. Christian Allen Look, Rose Ismail Look. Good morning dear boss, Ismail Look. Release time 6:20 AM in the morning. So 5. Bugawa ang Falcon Beat. Ay bugawa ng Falcon Beat. 4 3
Know if I can bleed, if that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly, I can fly, I can fly, I can fly.
Batiin natin yung mga sponsor natin. Wingmaster. Here, Batsian. Bagala Barbershop. And Reggie Coffee Promotion Plan. Good morning. So, please follow my FB page, Gigi Coffee Plan, and my YouTube channel, Gigi Coffee Plan. Again, bye-bye.